back on TikTok, and this time I'm wearing a dress that I bought in the middle of the pandemic because I'm an optimistic person and I bought it online. And today, with my formal dress, we are going to make sous vide halibut. So sous vide means that you're cooking the dish in very, very low heat in a vacuum sealed bag in warm water set at a really specific temperature over a long period of time. So sous vide, guys, in formal dresses. This is actually a dish that is not at all hard, but it's going to look like you are a gourmet top-level chef if you have all the right tools. When I first started to sous vide, I had a pot of hot water, I had some Ziploc bags, and I had a thermometer. And that is how I used to regulate the temperature over very low heat that I have to put on the flame, turn off the oven, turn off the stove. It was kind of a disaster when I sous vide. But it's pretty amazing when you have all of the right tools. And it all started because my dear friend Liana, for my birthday, got me a sous vide machine. And the sous vide machine was the beginning of the end for me. It was my gateway drug to buying all the right tools. The first thing that I have here is the vacuum seal, which is what you're going to use to vacuum seal your fish, your meat, whatever it is you want to cook, your vegetables. You can do anything in sous vide. So vacuum sealing, guys, this is what makes sous vide so special besides the really low heat. By vacuum sealing your food into these bags, which are special bags and they're environmentally friendly, so don't worry about being wasteful, it's really important to know how to use your equipment. And let me tell you, it took me forever to figure this out because no one shows you how to use the sous vide vacuum sealer. So today we are going to sous vide halibut, because I think that this is one of the very best ways to prepare halibut. And I'm just putting a little bit of olive oil, some fleur de sel, and then I have some of this basil oil that I just had in my kitchen that we're also going to put in to seal in all of the flavors and make it super moist. And now the fun starts again. You have your halibut in your sous vide pouch here, and we're going to vacuum seal and seal this up, and then we're going to place it in warm water. And how cool is this? You have vacuum sealed all of your flavors, all of the deliciousness of your fish into this cool bag. 2 tools. Guys, this is never gonna get old. Vacuum sealing, I'm completely addicted. And now, this is your sous vide machine, which is really just something that regulates the temperature, which is for halibut 130 degrees. And we're gonna set the timer for 30 minutes so your fish is perfectly cooked. And you just drop it right into the water. So this is it. When you're entertaining, you have a house full of guests, you don't want to be in the kitchen the whole time, but yet you want to make a really high-end gourmet meal, use your sous vide machine, because right now we're going to peace out. And if I had guests here, I'd be drinking wine with them and just hanging out over dinner. And in 30 minutes, this fish is going to be perfect. So this is perfection. It is sous vide halibut. I'm gonna put a tiny, tiny little bit of Maldon sea salt right on top, and just a tiny bit of olive oil. And there you go, sous vide halibut.